Okay, students, in Python programming, we are already completed 6 sessions. Now we go through the 7th session. In this 7th session, we discuss about operators. What are the operators are available in Python programming? I think you are already learned in previous programming languages like C++, Java, and also in C language. Right, here in this Python program also that allows to perform the operators while writing the programs. Now here that arithmetic in that operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, or Boolean operators. Only this much of operators we can discuss within this session. Okay guys, here operator, it is a symbol, it is a special symbol used to perform operations on values or variables. An operator acts on some variables called operand. An operand acts on single variable called unary operator. An operator acts on two variables called binary operator. An operand acts on three variables called ternary operators. Okay. In this diagram, you see that a operand 1, operator, operand 2, then we get a result. Means A is a variable, operator plus operand B, that represents A plus B. Then after that we get the output result when we enter that values of A and B. Right. So then here you observe these operators, various types of operators in Python, means types of operators. In this operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, bitwise operator. Here in this Python program, another two operators are membership operators, identity operators. Okay, these are the different types of operators available in Python programming. First we discuss about arithmetic operator. To perform some basic arithmetic operations can be applied on numbers as well as variables. Suppose here in this table it contains the different operators. Plus it is an addition operator, minus, multiplication, divide, then one more special symbol in division, double slash, that represents floor. Okay, a modulus operator and exponentiation operator. Okay, right. Here you observe in this example, C is equal to 12 plus 1. Here is an arithmetic operator. 12 minus 1, then minus operator, means subtraction operator, star is a multiplication operator, divide operator, 12 by 1, that output is 12. So then 12 by 10, floor division. Here is a special operator in Python programming. So floor division. Floor means, so then quotient means 12 divided by 10, we get that 1 point. Now that quotient value you produced by using a floor division. Okay. Modulus operator to find the remainder. So one more operator in this Python programming as an exponentiation operator. that represents a double star. Modulus, that represents a percentage sign operator. Then floor division, that contains a double slash division. C is equal to 12 by 1. Okay. This is an arithmetic operator that contains addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponentiation. We know the basic operators: addition, subtraction, then multiplication, division. Another three operators: floor division and modulus and exponential. Okay, you clearly it is there in table. You see that example. Okay. So here is an example, arithmetic operator. We initialized that A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. Right. So here we have to use print, then print the output result. Because while performing an addition of two numbers, first we need A value and B value. After that it need n operators. So here addition of A plus B. Then we know that A value and B value. Addition, subtraction of A and B, A minus B, A into B, A by B. Then floor division, A double slash B. Okay, modulus operator ampersand sign. Exponent operation A double star B, that represents A to the power of B. Okay, here in this we observe that addition 15, subtraction 5, multiplication 50, division 2, floor division 2, means that prints a quotient. Okay, a modulus operator 0. Then exponential operations, then A square, B means 5 to the square of 5 alpha. That output result is, you know, in that output result box we see the result. Nearly 1 lakh something is there, that result. Okay. Here a relational operator. Next operator is a relational operator. Here in this relational operator, we have to use this operator for comparison of two numbers, called as comparison operator. Use it to compare values. Either it returns true or false, but it compares the values. Here in this operators, in the relational operators, is greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or is equal to, less than or is equal to. These are all the operators used inside the programming languages of type relational operators. Here example 5 greater than 6, if the condition is false, that output result is 1. 5 less than 6, yes, it is true. 5 is equal to 6, it is a false. 5 not equal to 6, true. So then 5 greater than or is equal to 6, false. 5 less than or is equal to 6, it is true. Okay. By using relational operators, we can compare the two values or two numbers. Okay guys, this is the relational operator. Here is an example for relational operators. A is 8, then B is assigned that 10 and 5. A greater than B, true. 10 is greater than 5. A less than B, false. So then A is equal to B, false. A not equal to B, false. So then A greater than or is equal to B, true. A less than or is equal to B is a false. It is a relational operator example. Here in this logical operators, logical also known as Boolean operator, typically used with Boolean values, allowed to make a decision based on multiple conditions. Okay. Now here logical operators are and or not. All these three operators are also in different previous programming languages like Java, C++. There also we are using logical operators. Okay, and true if both of the operands are true, means 10 less than 5 and 10 less than 20. So here one condition is false, 10 is less than 5, that condition not satisfies, because of that produces false student. Then or true if either of the operand is true, 10 less than 5 or 10 less than 20. 10 is less than 5, false, but 10 is less than 20, yes, condition is true. So that time that condition is true. By using a not operator, true if operand is false, complement is the false complements the operand. Here not 10 less than 20, false. Okay. So then we move on to that another relational operator example, logical operator. You see that 10 less than 5, 10 less than 20, that result is false. 10 less than 5 or 10 less than 20, that relation is true by using an OR operator, not 10 less than 20. You see that logical operators example. So now it is an end of this session. Here in that revision, that operators we deal with a arithmetic operator, relational operator, then logical operators. So in the previous concept we learned that in that operators these operators we discussed in the previous also. So then it is the while come to the revision of this session. So operators, within that we learned arithmetic operators and relational operators and logical operators. I think you are already studied in the previous programming languages, like whatever it may be the languages that contains 100% an operators, either arithmetic operator or relational operators or logical operators. These two comes under the topic operators. Okay student, this is the simple chapter. Then we conclude this chapter by knowing the different types of operators in Python programming. Okay, thank you guys.